Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Horizon. Today we're diving into the details of OKX trading fees. If you're looking to understand how these fees work and how to minimize them, then this video is for you. Make sure to stick around till the end to get all the details and use the referral code 6734754 to start trading on OKX and enjoy some great bonuses. First off, let's talk about the importance of understanding OKX fee structure. Trading fees can significantly impact your profits, so knowing how they are calculated and how you can reduce them is essential. OKX offers a variety of trading options, each with its own fee structure. Let's break these down. Spot trading fees are straightforward. 1. Maker fees. These are fees charged to traders who add liquidity to the market by placing limit orders. The standard maker fee on OKX is 0.08%. 2. Taker fees. These are fees charged to traders who remove liquidity from the market by placing market orders. The standard taker fee is 0.1%. For example, if you place a market order to buy 1 BTC at $50,000, the taker fee would be. Next, let's look at futures trading fees, which are slightly different due to the nature of these trading products. 1. Maker fees. The maker fee for USDT margined and crypto margined futures contracts is 0.02%. 2. Taker fees. The taker fee for these contracts is 0.05%. For instance, if you execute a futures contract for 1 BTC at an execution price of $50,000, the taker fee would be. OKX also offers options trading. The fee structure for options is as follows. 1. Transaction fees. The fees are based on the premium of the options contract and can vary depending on the specific contract. For example, if the premium is 0.02 BTC for an options contract, the transaction fee would be a percentage of this premium. OKX has a VIP program that offers reduced fees based on your trading volume and asset holdings. 1. VIP levels. The higher your trading volume and the more assets you hold, the higher your VIP level and the lower your fees. 2. Fee discounts. VIP users can benefit from lower maker and taker fees. For instance, a VIP 1 user might pay only 0.07% for maker fees and 0.09% for taker fees. Here's a quick look at how you can qualify. VIP 1 requires a minimum 30-day trading volume of 10,000 USDT or an asset balance of 500 USDT. VIP 2 requires a minimum 30-day trading volume of 50,000 USDT or an asset balance of 2,500 USDT. VIP 3 requires a minimum 30-day trading volume of 100,000 USDT or an asset balance of 5,000 USDT. OKX also offers fee rebates and promotions to help users save on trading costs. 1. Fee rebates. By participating in certain promotions or reaching specific trading volumes, you can earn fee rebates that reduce your overall trading costs. 2. Promotional offers. Keep an eye out for limited time offers that provide reduced or zero trading fees for specific periods or trading pairs. For example, during a promotional period, you might receive rebate cards that cover up to 2,000 USDT in trading fees. Here are some tips to help you manage and minimize your trading fees on OKX. 1. Use limit orders. By placing limit orders instead of market orders, you can benefit from the lower maker fees. 2. Upgrade your VIP level. Trade more and hold larger balances to move up the VIP tiers and enjoy lower fees. 3. Participate in promotions. Take advantage of promotional offers and fee rebate programs to reduce your trading costs. To sum up, understanding OKX trading fees can help you manage your costs effectively and maximize your profits. Don't forget to use the referral code 6734754 to get started with OKX and enjoy exclusive benefits. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more crypto tips and updates. So what are you waiting for? Head over to OKX, sign up using the referral code 673744754 and start trading today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.